Have you ever pondered why certain creatures seemingly vanish when seasons change? What fascinating mechanisms might they employ to survive harsh climates? Today, we unravel the mysteries of hibernation and aestivation. Hibernation, as many of you know, is a state of inactivity and metabolic depression in endotherms, which are animals that generate heat internally. This fascinating survival strategy is most commonly associated with colder regions where winters are harsh and food is scarce. Picture the quintessential image of a bear curled up in its den, waiting for the winter to pass. That, my friends, is hibernation. However, it's not just bears. Many animals, from tiny bats to hedgehogs, even some species of birds like the common poorwill, hibernate. These creatures slow down their metabolic processes, dropping their body temperature, heart rate, and breathing to conserve energy. Now let's contrast this with aestivation, a less familiar term. Aestivation, also known as summer sleep, is a similar state of dormancy but employed during periods of intense heat and aridity. It is common in regions with extreme summer temperatures, where water is limited and desiccation is a real threat. Picture a lungfish burrowed in the mud of a dried-up riverbed encased in a mucus cocoon. That is aestivation. Snails, crocodiles, and even some mammals like the fat-tailed dwarf lemur of Madagascar resort to aestivation to survive harsh summers. They reduce their metabolic rate, limit water loss, and wait out the unforgiving heat in a state of suspended animation. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Hibernation and aestivation are survival strategies employed by a range of animals to endure extreme weather conditions. Hibernation is a winter phenomenon primarily observed in endotherms residing in colder climes. It involves a drop in body temperature, heart rate, and metabolic activity, helping animals conserve energy when food is scarce. On the other hand, aestivation is a strategy for surviving hot, dry summers. It is observed in a variety of animals, including fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Aestivation involves a reduction in metabolic activity, helping animals conserve water and prevent desiccation during periods of intense heat and aridity. These survival strategies illustrate the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Whether it's the deep chill of winter or the blistering heat of summer, nature always finds a way to endure and thrive. So, the next time you see a bear emerging from its den in spring or a lungfish surfacing after a long, hot summer, remember the remarkable survival strategies they've employed to make it through.